I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account region alignment so you don't trigger flags. Once done, install a reputable VPN client on your phone. Make sure the VPN supports mobile DNS and IPv6 leak protection. You sign in to the VPN, grant necessary permissions, and select a server that matches your Microsoft account country. This preserves consistency between IP, time zone, and regional settings, which reduces the risk of access issues and explains why matching region matters before you move to the next step. Once connected to the VPN server, clear app caches and browser cookies so previous geolocation tokens don't conflict. This prevents mixed signals between IP and stored data. Then verify your public IP shows the correct country and your phone's time zone matches the VPN region. Now open the Microsoft Rewards page or app and sign in anew. Make sure location permissions are off for the app so only IP determines location. This coordinated state avoids cross-check mismatches that trigger account blocks. Finish by performing your mobile rewards activities while the VPN remains active so your session stays region consistent. You should pace actions to mirror normal usage rather than sudden bulk activity. If the system flags you or blocks actions, disconnect the VPN, clear caches again, and confirm your Microsoft account region and phone time zone match. Then reconnect to the same server and retry. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with clear details after you've verified IP, time, and region alignment to resolve any account holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.